Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I shall explain about the if statement. As you know, we are discussing about the control statement. In this control statement, the first part we shall discuss about the decision making statement. In the decision making statement, we have four more decision making statements, like if statement, if else statement, if nested if statement, if else statement. I will explain each and every statement with practical example. Let's see. In the main program, one main program is run, the void main program is run. The if condition is enter. When if condition is true, then execute the if condition block, otherwise it go to a false statement and then print the if without if block statement and then exit. Let's see the practical example. I create the name with void main, number 1 is num1 is equal to 10 semicolon. If condition, in the if condition we put the if statement first and then if statement num1 is equal to 10 print if statement is true, and copy this statement again and print here. This printer will show this statement just below if. Below of if. Statement. Run this program. You see, you have two statement printed. If statement is true and if statement is below of the if statement. How it work? It work like when I start the program, if void main program is started from void main program, and then in if condition is in, and I created the number 1 variable and I assign 10 value. Num1, if condition check num1 is equal to 10, then it execute the body of the block. Body of that block is if statement is true. If the body of the block is true, then print the body of the if statement block. Otherwise it print the statement just below of if. I put the wrong value here. I put 3. You can check the value will be printed if. I put the if condition is wrong, then goes to directly on the statement just below if statement. I hope you understand you have clear understand of the if statement. I update the code on my GitHub. You can check my repository and practice it. Please take care of yourself and take care of this medium. Allah Hafiz.